10 tips to always be with money. BINCOMFORTABLE. The more convenient you are, the more and more you are used, without your benefit. So you go out for beer 10 times, talk to the neighbors, mop the floor and set up the computer. Do not think that your good deed will be remembered at its true worth. One more, two, and you will be bent over every time. And at that time you will waste time on new opportunities. Promise a lot. Even if you fail, you can always find someone who will do it for half the amount paid to you. Control the situation. Never give up on circumstances. Be responsible for your actions. People appreciate it and trust you much more, feeling a reliable person in you. Look for contacts. Meet new people every day. On the street, at exhibitions, at work, on the internet. Give everyone your business card. It happens that it can work even after 5 to 10 years. Use your contacts. Introduce your friends, showing how and where they can be useful to each other. Learn new in your sphere. Excludes public news. If something really important happens, you will know about it. Raise the price. Do not feel sorry for customers, raise the price. If the product is exclusive, raise it 3 times. By the way, in the business in which I did this, sales also almost tripled. Profitability increased by 9, since no additional marketing moves were made. Use stereotype thinking. People have stereotypes that inspire confidence in them. A person in a good suit sells better than one in sportswear. Look for the stereotypes of your target audience. Do little surprises. Send greeting cards to people you are interested in. When they need the services that you provide, they will definitely remember you, and completely forget about your competitors. Always ask for twice. Give. Wonderful. And this happens 6 times out of 10. In case of emergency. Because you can make a discount. 20%. Subscribe to our channel.